Hello friends, this is Radhika from channel Mathematics with Miss Radhika Jain. Today is my second video. Today we will study what is the description of a set. Here we will discuss about two forms. First form is the roster form and second is the set builder form. Now let's study what is the roster form. In this form, a set is described by listing elements separated by commas within braces. Means we have to list the elements of a given information and separate the elements by commas within the braces. For example, set of vowels. Set of vowels of English alphabets are A, E, I, O, U. Just list them and separate them by commas within braces. This forms a set. This is the set of vowels, as you can see. Now, second example, for example, set of even natural numbers. As we know, even natural numbers are multiple of 2 and natural numbers are positive integers. So we have 2, 4, 6 and so on. Here we cannot list all the elements in the braces because these are infinite number of elements. Even natural numbers cannot be end. So we just write 2, 4, 6, comma, dot, dot, dot. This means and so on. Means elements are continued. After that, let's take another example, set of all prime numbers less than 11. So, we know prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by itself or by 1, except 1. Right? Means except 1, the numbers which satisfy this property, which divided by itself and 1 is called prime number. So 1 is not a prime number. So here less than 11 we have 2, 3, 5, 7. After 7 we have 11, but we have to list all the elements which are less than 11, prime numbers which are less than 11. So we can write 11. So we have the answer 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so here first important point is that order makes no difference. Order means we can write 3 after 5 or 5 after 7. We can write 2, 5, 3, 7. We can write 5, 3, 2, 7. In any order we can write the set. Order makes no difference. For example, the set of vowels A, E, I, O, U, we can write it as E, O, A, I, U. Both are the same. So this is very important point, not to be confused in any order. Write in any order. Order makes no difference. This is very important point. Second important point is that repetition of an element has no effect. Means if we repeat any element, if in a set we repeat any element, then it makes no difference. Both sets are same. For example, we have a small set 1, 2, 3. Here we repeat element 2 times. You can see 1, 2, 3, 2. In this set 2 is repeated, but both the sets are equal. Both the sets are same. This is very important point. Not to be confused with that if we repeat an element then the set is different or not. No, both sets are equally same. After that we have some questions. So you have to solve these questions and give the answers in comment section. And if you like this video, press the like button and share my video. Next form is that set builder form. Now in this form we have not to list the elements. We have to describe the set by characterizing property Px. We call Px a property of x, of its elements x. So we will write the set as x, the element x whose property px holds, right? So for example, set of even natural numbers. Now think about this. The property of this set is the element is even number, and second one, it is natural number. So it has two properties. So we will write x such that, right? X is a natural number, first property, and second is x is even number, means multiple of 2, right? Means even number is that number which is divided by 2. So x must be of type 2n. It will be of type 2n, where n belongs to capital N. Here capital N denotes set of natural numbers. So both the properties are mentioned, and we write the set in set builder form, or in either way we can write it as x belongs to natural numbers, set of natural numbers, and x is a multiple of 2. Okay, so this is the set builder form. Now another example, we have given a set in a roster form. You have to convert this uh, set in a set builder form. So you have to identify the property of the elements. You can see all the elements are positive numbers, means all natural numbers, right? So first property, we know that x belongs to n, means set of natural numbers. And second property, it ends at 8, right? So we will write x will be less than equal to 8. This is the second property. So we have to identify properties in roster form and write in set builder form. This is very interesting. So next, I am given you two questions. You have to write the answers of these two questions in comment section. And again, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you. If you have any doubts, any question, you can ask in comment section. If you have another example which you want to ask me, then you can ask. Thank you.